Hello everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus 7 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side, and then take out the battery by loosening adhesive on the sides and pull it by the red tab. Next, place the new battery in the body and paste the adhesives back. Next, plug in the battery plug and place the mainboard frame by securing 11 screws. Next, place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.